Just got down to the shop, about to brush on with some fire today, for real, for real. So our client here, you get like a mohawk with 2-line design. First we're gonna comb it out, making sure we got a clean, even workspace. Now we gonna go in here with our first guideline. We're gonna get right to it. The Andes Masters. And we just making sure that we follow the steps. Open, halfway close, all the way close. Just to knock out them guidelines. Right here I switch to the 0 guard. And like I said, we just gonna follow the steps. Open, close, halfway. Until that fade just start to become more blurry. It's 2022, so I gotta just continue to apply the pressure that I apply. And as we go in with that 1 guard, just debulking the top at the bravado ridge. And as y'all can see, that blend is just starting to get real blurry in there. Now here I'm going in with the 2 guard just to complete that transition. Now here we're gonna go with our trimmers, and we're gonna do a diagonal line that stops halfway through the ear. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, just to give it that V effect in the back. Now we're gonna start with the front of the hairline. We're gonna start at the center and kind of work our way side to side. He really doesn't have any trouble areas too much. Then we're gonna move into that design line. Now, though this was a simple one, this is where the pressure gets applied. off of that Tune 45 no drip using the Shine Cuts hair enhancement card. And as you can see, I'm staying a nice distance away from the head. MOHAWK, super easy design, 2 lines. Nice lineup enhancements. Tell me what y'all think about it. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe below. Thank you.